Did you know in managing user in a Linux system you can do creating, modifying, deleting user account, and managing password and more. Sounds interesting, right? Assalamualaikum and hello guys. Installing Linux. By default, we create one user account and administrator account. User account has a limited access compared to the administrator account, which is can administer the Linux system. First, let's get to know the administrator account in Linux.
To use command code in Ubuntu Linux, you should open terminal. If not in your favorite, you can find it in Tools. Type terminal, then click it. Before we start, we can see at left that it was a green color. It means this terminal in user account. From user to change to root, type sudo -i. When or if terminal requests password, insert your Ubuntu Linux password. For example, I just put my password 123. Now, the color was changed from green to white. It means you already in root account. Now, to change to root user account, type su space Adam as your username Ubuntu Linux. You can see they have a green and blue color text. Now you add user root account. To change back to normal, type exit. Just now, it logged out from user root account. Type again exit to log out from root. It changed back as normal restart. Lastly, to change to switch user account, type sudo su. You can see the difference where they have a white text with a directory home and Adam. It was different when we used to change to root account. To log out this account, type exit. Now, I want to clear all command code. Just type clear.
Now, you guys already know how to change account to root account, root user account, switch user account. User and root in Linux system has separated with different privilege. User can only deal with files and tasks that are assigned to them, whereby root has administrator privilege in administer the system. Let's see basically what a user can do in a Linux terminal.
Let's open the terminal. To add new user, type sudo space add user and space new username. I just put Mimi. Type Adam password. New password I just put 123. Full name I just put Mimi and skip the other one. For information correct, I just type Y. To check Mimi was exist, type su-mimi and put the Mimi password. To change back to Adam, type su-adam and put the Adam password. Now I want to put user directory. Type sudo user add space -m space -d and space path the new directory. I'll just put the new directory at desktop. The new directory name was new user John and space John as the new user directory. Now it's already created. Add new password for John. Type sudo pass wd space John. Add new password. I just type ABC. Now the password was already created. You can see just now they already create new user John directory. To check, type su-john and the request password type ABC. Now you can create the new directory in John directory. As a result, you can see new directory just already create was exists. To create new file, type touch space file.txt. I just create the new file as txt file. You can see they have already created that file in John directory. To create a new group, you can type add group space the new name group. But in my suggestion, you can create a new group in root account. As you can see, new group cannot create in user account. Now you can change to root account. Then type add group space student as a new name group. Group already created. To check, type get n space group and space the new name of group. You can see the student group have been created. Let's back to user account. What we can do here is to modify the user account. Type sudo space user mode space -l space the new name for the user and space the old name of the user. So right now I want to change Mimi to the new name Shamimi. To check the new username of Mimi was Shamimi, type su-mimi. So you can see Mimi right now doesn't exist. Let's check Shamimi user account. Type su-shamimi and put the password of Mimi. Now you can see from the Adam user account was changed to Shamimi user account. Let's change to Adam user account. To modify group name, type sudo space group mode space -n and space the new name of group and space the old name of group. Now the group name was changed. To check, type sudo get end space group space student. Now you can see student wasn't effect. Let's check for the group of Plaja. You can see the Plaja group was existed. And now let's get to try to delete user account. To delete user account, you can type user del space the name of user account. In my suggestion, you can do this in root account. Let's change to root account. Type userdel and space Shamimi as user account. Then press enter. Let's check if Shamimi account is still existed. Type su space dash space Shamimi. Right now, you can see Shamimi account does not exist. Also, Mimi account does not exist. Now, let's try to delete user directory account. Let's back to root account. Type userdel space dash r space the name of user directory account. Type John. So right now, directory new user account still exists. When you press enter this command code, let's check at the desktop. You can see directory for John was not existed. Let's try to delete group account. Type group del plaja as a group name and press enter. Then let's check if this group is still existed. Type sudo get n space group space plaja. You can see right now, group plaja wasn't shown on terminal. And let's check if the group student still existed. This group also was not existed. It means all the group we have created was deleted.
You guys learned something about comment in managing user and group account in Linux on how to add, modify, and deleting user and group in Linux. I hope all of you have a better understanding about user managing and group. See you again